Welcome to the Travel Fixer, your ultimate guide to smooth journeys. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a budget-conscious explorer, or a family navigating the world, you're in the right place. We know that traveling isn't always as easy as booking a ticket and packing your bags. Flight delays, cancellations, baggage mishaps, and complex itineraries. They happen, but don't worry. We're here to help you navigate it all. On this channel, we'll break down complicated travel issues, simplify airline policies, and offer step-by-step solutions to keep your trip stress-free. From refund hacks to solving travel headaches, the Travel Fixer has you covered. Each week, I'll share tips on how to handle cancellations, lost luggage, navigating confusing flight policies, and so much more. Plus, we'll tackle the best ways to save money while traveling, so you can explore without the extra stress. So, if you want to make your travels easier, save time, and travel like a pro, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the Travel Fixer community, and let's make your next trip your smoothest one yet.